These wool dryer balls, boom, you see it, hey, are a great reusable way to Oh, hey, how's it going? This is Lance McGowan here, and today we're going to cover the best essential oils for laundry, as well as a do-it-yourself wool dryer ball recipe. The reality is that fabric softeners come in all different shapes and sizes and have scents that range anywhere from tropical breeze to lavender. But did you know that most lavender-scented fabric softeners actually contain no lavender whatsoever, but have chemicals that have been blended to give you the impression that you're smelling the real deal? Substituting these chemical-driven fabric softeners for an all-natural, toxic-free alternative is much easier and more affordable than you may think. You can follow the step-by-step process that I'm going to give you in order to make your own wool dryer balls that can last for many, many years and can be easily scented with doTERRA essential oils. Okay, boom, boom, leaving your fabrics fragrant and soft. The ingredients are pretty simple. You'll need 100% wool yarn and some pantyhose. That's right. And an upcycle idea is to reuse pantyhose with runs in them. Okay. Step 1 of the directions is to take the end of a yarn and then you wrap it around your middle finger and index finger for about 10 times, and then you remove it from your fingers and then wrap it again for another 2 to 3 times around the middle, and it should look like a bow, so like that, yes. And then this will be the start of your ball. Step 2 is to continue tightly wrapping the yarn around the start, working toward making it a round shape. And then once your ball is roughly the size of a tennis ball, you'll cut the yarn and tuck the ends inside of the ball. You can repeat this process until you've created more balls of yarn. And step 3 is to cut one leg of the pantyhose that you have, and then you'll place one of those balls in the bottom of the leg, and then you tie a knot right above the ball to secure it in place. And then you can repeat that process for all the balls until they're each tightly secured. Once the balls are tightly secured in the pantyhose, you'll put them in the washer, and then this can be with a load of dirty laundry, and then you'll wash it on the highest and hottest setting. That's right, things are going to be heating up with this recipe. And this will allow the yarn to felt, and felting will make the yarn fuse together, resulting in a solid ball versus, one that's more loosey-goosey. And then once washed, you're going to want to dry the balls thoroughly in the dryer at the highest heat setting. After the balls are completely dry, you remove the pantyhose, and then they're ready for use. Before drying your next load of laundry, add 2 to 3 drops of your favorite doTERRA essential oil to a couple of dryer balls. You toss them in the dryer and enjoy the soft, fluffy, wonderful smelling fruits of your labor. In conclusion, the do-it-yourself wool dryer balls go great with doTERRA essential oils like lavender, which I have right here. Boom, okay. But, you could also use Serenity, Balance, or Citrus Bliss, which are some blends that smell awesome, and they could be either uplifting with the citrus oils or more calming and relaxing with the mood oils. These wool dryer balls, boom, you see it, hey, are a great reusable way to do your laundry and get some aromatherapy benefits at the same time. To end today's video, I want to give a quick shout out to Revision 45 Clothing Company. They custom make and design unique, one-of-a-kind band and lyric t-shirts. They use high-quality cotton blend t-shirts, and their printing process will leave you with a lasting impression. They make shirts for people who love music, and their shirts surpass all boundaries. You can learn more about their shirts with the link in my description area below, and you can learn about this recipe for the wool dryer balls down there as well, so you don't have to juggle so many things in life. You can have it all in one place. That is this video in the description area. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Share this video with somebody that would benefit from it. And with that being said, I got some laundry to do, and I'll see you in the next video.